How to sign up for a new account on Poshmark. Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how you can easily sign up for a new account on Poshmark. The first thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your web browser. And on your browser you can go to the search bar and search for Poshmark, hit enter, and you'll see the first URL is poshmark.com. It's often the sponsored ad as well. But if you see something else on the sponsor section, you can scroll down and find Poshmark right here down below. Click on the first link and here you'll see their homepage. So if you already have an account, that's great. You can continue on with the login option at the top right. If not, you can click on the sign up right here to create a new account. Now here you're going to have to provide certain information. So the first thing you do is enter your name and then your last name as well. Provide your email address, then create a username for yourself and provide a password. Once you have your password, you can just go ahead and select your gender, and then you can select your country. Now, if you want to stay signed in, just check this box and then click on next. After doing so, your account has been created, so you can add your shirt size or your shoe size or your zip code. I'm not going to do that right now, so let me just go ahead and continue on. Now you can select the brands so that your shop will be customized based on your brands you've chosen. So let's just select these ones for now and then click on continue. And finally, once you have set it up, you'll find the community here is to support you, and they'll connect you to poshers who make shopping and selling simple. So let's just tap on done, and you've successfully created your account. That's how you basically create an account on Poshmark. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.